Assalamu alaikum, Sirji. Today I'm very happy. I passed my theory exam very easy and comfortable. It's all because of you that helped me better to study and learn it better and how to be on the right way of study of theory exam. Vielen lieben Dank, and I want to have a message for sisters and brothers that they come new to the classes of Ambrish Quick Patente. Please follow whatever Mr. Ambrish is saying, because he's really sure about whatever he say. He has a lot of experiences in this case, that how to help people better to pass the theory exam easy and fast. And especially if you want to pass very fast, please do everyday quiz and just follow whatever Mr. Ambrish say. Just listen, because it really helps you. And grazie mille per aiutarmi che passato il mio theory.